we are hitting some good cards early doors. Now, what one is it? Is it numbered as well? It's Shield 10, so it's definitely one I need. What is good, people? Welcome back to Football Collectibles South Coast with me, Simon, on the YouTube channel. And today we have got a very special treat. We have got a full box of Match Attax 2023-2024 football card collection. Very kindly sent by Topps. So a big shout out to the guys from Topps for sending this over. I'm not going to muck about. Let's get into this box. Yes, guys, so obviously mega excited for this. A full box of Match Attax 2023-2024. 12 cards per pack. These packs are stacked. Let's hope this box is stacked. 3 special insert cards guaranteed per packet. Obviously, we're not guaranteed what we are going to get in those. So 12 cards per pack, 36 pack in a box with £2.50, obviously, for those packs. Now, within these, obviously, you have got the chance of that Haaland Zen card, 1 in 500 packs, but they are only found in these, the packs from the boxes, so you're not going to get that Zen card in any other stuff. You've got genuine autographs there, 1 in 900. What else have we got? Genuine autograph cards, sequentially numbered, all that sort of stuff. So plenty of cards to look out for. What we're looking out for our first 100 club. We're looking out for some energy cards. We haven't got any of them yet. And hopefully we'll find one of them Zen cards. That'd be pretty decent. So guys, if you are new to the Football Collectibles South Coast YouTube channel, do consider hitting that subscribe button. And obviously hit the like button for this video. Strap yourselves in. Give me some good luck for a full box of Match Attax. We could also get some shields. Hopefully we'll get some of them. And some of the black edges as well, because we've only got one so far. Again, absolute shout out to Topps for sending this across. Always feel the love and the support from them. Obviously, all available in stores now. Get a nice little poster there. So there's that Zen card. If you don't know what that is, obviously there is only the one Zen card to get. Like I said, 1 in 500 packs. We're looking for those energy cards. They look absolutely stunning. We haven't seen one yet from the packs we've opened, so fingers crossed one of those will be in these packs. So here we go, pack number 1 from 36 packs. I'm not going to go through all the bases. What I will do, I'll give away the code cards. We will quickly skim through the base and then get to those insert cards, because that's what we're all here to see. Again, the base cards are base cards. Really nice design this year, different to obviously previous years. So we've got signature style Hakan Çalhanoğlu. We'll get our sort of subset set out, and we've got our finisher Sebastian Haller, a crystal parallel of Santiago Gomez for Feyenoord, and we get a club crest of Real Sociedad. Nothing spectacular in that first packet. Guys, obviously get in the comments, let me know what you think of this collection. Are you collecting it? I want to know what you guys think of it, because as always, this is just me sat here on one side of the camera saying I love it, I like it, and what I don't like, for you, you might not like it. I'll tell you one thing I'm not a big fan of in this year's collection is the sort of different products in different shops. Why is that back to front? Is that... Oh! There's our first energy. And what I want it is Alejandro Garnacho. So they've got a kind of lens, I think they're like Lensar technology they've called them. So it's kind of like an eye effect, it looks like. But that is a stunning card. Big fan of that design and the effects on there. And obviously it's Alejandro Garnacho. So attack 81, defense 36. Big fan of those cards. They are really, really nice. So that's not bad. Pack number 2. What else do we get in there? Legend Zidane, legendary moment. We've got a playmaker of Neymar, another crystal parallel Timo Werner, and the Borussia Dortmund badge. Even these have got a little bit of a shine to them this year. Really nice. So that's good. We've got one energy already. So I think they're 1 in 36 packs, the energies. So that could be our 1 for the box. We may get lucky and get 2. You never know. Or 3. We may as well go for it. If we're going to beat the odds, let's go all the way. Jack Grealish there. Fabio Vieira. We've got Henrik Larsson, cult hero. We also get Eliminator Manuel Akanji, and Captain Sergio Roberto there for Barca. Again, the captain card's got a little bit of a shine effect again on them this year. Always up in the game. Let's have a look at the odds. So the energies, I think, like I said, they were 1 in 36. So the Zen there, Ultimate Celebration. Yeah, 9 energy cards, 1 in 36. So you are, I say you guaranteed one a box. I think it was Football Collecting Couple opened a box and they didn't get one. So it's not a guarantee. Obviously, 1 in 36 packs, you would assume it would be. But it's not always the way. Luck is on our side today. So yeah, more base. Obviously, this will go into the binder. We'll get hopefully a binder update out. Oh, hello, we've got a shield in this pack. Wow. So early doors, we are hitting some good cards early doors. Now, what one is it? Is it numbered as well? It's shield 10, so it's definitely one I need. Don't think it's numbered by the looks of it. Who is it? It is Deo Upamecano of Bayern Munich. Boom. There it is in all its glory. So we've got Impact 82, Finesse 72, Power 95. So 2 cards there straight away that are absolutely epic. And we finished that pack with a Next Gen Hoslak Playmaker and a Nicholas Otamendi captain card. So it's our first Next Gen. So that's good. A shield as well. Shields I think are about 1 in. Let's just have a look, see what they are. Shield cards. Where are they? Where are the shields? Chrome shields. 1 in 24. So potentially 2 in a box, maybe. You never know, really. But 1 in 24, that's not bad. We've got 1 already. So that is a good return so far from only about 5-6 packs. Oh, there we go. We've got a first Heritage as well. Forward, Dusan Tadic. Absolutely love them. We've got another signature style of Rafael Leao. We get a Guardian Nick Pope and the Real Betis club crest there. So yeah, obviously guys, do get in the comments. Let me know what you think of these cards. Obviously, like I said, I am just one person sat here saying they're good. Still not got a 100 club. This is worrying me. We have not got any 100 clubs from any of the products we have opened so far. And so far, we've got none from the packs we've opened. So we get another signature style, that is Mehdi Taremi. We get finisher Marcus Rashford, crystal parallel of David Silva, and Martin Odegaard captain card there. Yeah, so the 100 clubs is concerning. What are 100 club odds? 100 club odds. I think they're 1 in 9. 1 in 8. So we should have had... Should we opened 8? Yeah, we've opened 8. We should have had one by now. So fingers crossed in this pack, we will have our first 100 club of the collection. Doesn't look like it. This is worrying. I'm sure there'll be 1 in the box, surely. There's not going to be a full box without at least 100 club. We've got another Heritage there. Rafa Silva. These are the ones we want to see because Heritages are difficult to find. Gennaro Gattuso, cult hero of AC Milan. Eliminator Alessandro Martinez and captain John McGinn of Aston Villa. Interestingly, obviously Aston Villa haven't qualified yet for Europe, but they're in the collection. And Brighton have, and they're not. So yeah, a few Brighton fans not happy with that, but I'm sure we will see them in an update set or something. Or it looks like we've got our first 100 club in this pack. All right, who is it going to be? Who is the first 100 club? Fingers crossed it is the 101. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's not a 101. It's a 100 attack. Who is it? It is Martin Odegaard. Now, it's the first time I've seen these, so I am just going to take a minute. And again, you can pick out the textures on those. Look at that texture there. Smooth effect on, matte effect on there, and then like a rough textured effect across that. And stunning 100 club holographic through the back. They look really nice this year. Big fan. Again, I don't know how they managed to do it, but every year they kind of, yeah, somehow make them look better. Pavlovic, signature style, playmaker Kevin De Bruyne, and Jamal Lascelles, captain card for Newcastle. So our first 100 club, that's good. We are well on the way to getting, what, one in 8 packs. So we should be looking at around about 5, 6 if the pack odds are with us. We've got a next gen Shelderup. We get Mini Junior Finisher, Moussa Diaby, Crystal Parallel. Obviously, he's now at Aston Villa. And we get Jordan Henderson, captain, who's now at El Ettifaq. Ettifaq? I don't really know. One of them. Something like that. El Ettifaq, I think it is. So obviously there will be a lot of error cards within this set because obviously it was produced a lot before. Obviously the transfer window's not even closed yet, so you know we still could have some changes up until, what was it, Wednesday, Thursday this week. Next gen Pablo Barrios, where you get Playmaker Adeyemi, Kyogo Furuhashi, Crystal Parallel, and the AS Roma badge. Big fan of the badges. I like this sort of rough effect they put on this year. It looks really nice across a lot of the cards. So, are we potentially just going to get the one energy and the one shield? Hopefully not. We're still not at a black edge yet either. Is that a black edge in this? It could be a black edge in this packet. Looks like it is. Or is that a 100 club? No, it's a black edge. It's a black edge. We've got one. We found one already. So, let's get to that, see what it is. And hopefully, it's one I haven't got. I've only got one. So, if this is Giroud, I'm not going to be very happy. So, there's the back of it. Marco Reus. Happy with that. It's one we need. Let's have a look at him. Boom. And again, they've gone for the similar effect across there, like a matte black finish with the very much glossy black finish on those. So that is another nice one. So I'm vastly running out of space for the cards. We get another shoulder up next gen Guardian of Edison and Captain Peter Galaxy. So we've got pretty much one of every insert, I think now. If I am thinking correctly, we have, yeah, definitely. So we're doing all right. Now it's just about what odds, how many we can get of the same. Oh, yes, 2 shields. Come on, Toni Kroos. And another one that I need as well. That is very, very nice. So 2 shields there. Toni Kroos, Deo Upamecano. We get a signature style of Gleison Bremer, Battler, Rodri, and we get Captain Marquinhos for PSG. So that is good. That is definitely 2 shields. That beating the odds. Shields were 1 in... Yeah, shields are 1 in 24. So effectively 48 packs we should have opened to get 2 shields. So that is very, very good. Are we going to get another one? That's the question. Obviously, make sure you hit that like button. Give me some good luck as we crack on through this pack opening. Here we go. We've got Amar Dedic of, is that Salzburg? Yeah, FC Salzburg. Heritage card there. Legendary moment, Kluivert. We also get Battler, Bruno Gomes, and the FC Porto badge. So, we've still only got the 100 club though. That's concerning. But we've got plenty of packs still to go. Plenty of packs to get through. There's the code. Do keep, if I ever rush through them, I apologise. Man of the match signature style of Guido Rodriguez. Battler, Jude Bellingham. What a sort of start of the season he's having. Gent Trauner of Feyenoord, Crystal Parallel, and Manuel Neuer, captain for Bayern. Not anything outstanding in that packet. So no autographs, but we have. There's 2 shields. That is a right result. That is 2 shields. If that doesn't deserve a like or a subscribe, I don't know what will. Potentially an autograph card. We shall see. Borja Iglesias, heritage card there. Another nice one. We get next gen Alejandro Balde of Barca, Battler Llorente, and Lucas Fabianski, captain of West Ham. So I'd say we're about halfway. No, we're going to be over halfway surely by now. And we've still only got the 100 club. We should be due about 5 or 6, in all honesty. So, fingers crossed, within these next couple of packets, we'll at least get 1 or 2. Just to ease the nerves. We've got another heritage. Happy with this. Timo Werner. Got plenty of them, which is awesome. Signature style Odegaard. Guardian Jan Oblak. And Captain Gent Trauner of Feyenoord. So yeah, we need those 100 clubs. We need the 100 clubs. I think the heritages, there's about 36 of those. I think that's the biggest subset, and they're always a nightmare to sort of get the full set from the last couple of seasons anyway. Mason Mount there, Anthony Gordon. We got Ronaldo, legendary moment of AC Inter actually. Eliminator of Rudiger, Tuta, Crystal Parallel, and Nacho, captain of Real. Still only the 100 club. This is very, very worrying. Are we going to get absolutely rinsed by the odds with the 100 clubs in this pack opening? Potentially. It's looking that way. Valverde, Witzel. Oh no, I think we've got one in this packet. Here we go. We've got another one. Who is it? Come on, be the 101. Be the 101. Just looks like it's 100 again. It's Bukayo Saka though. It's another nice one. It's one we need. We only got this is the first two we've had. So awesome, awesome stuff. So Odegaard have both been Arsenal, Odegaard and Saka. It's interesting actually this year there is heavy presence of Premier League 100 clubs. I think Man City have got 4, Arsenal have got 2. Legendary moment Kaka, Bukayo Saka playmaker, and the AC Milan club crest. So yeah, let me know what you think of the 100 clubs. Do you agree with it? I know obviously Man City absolutely rinsed everything last year, so probably warranted. But Arsenal, they weren't even in the sort of European stuff last year. Well, they were for a little bit, weren't they, I think, in the Europa Cup. But yeah, whatever. Churro Immobile, Heritage. Man of the match signature style of Zubimendi. We get Alvaro Morata. And we get the no longer the captain of Manchester United, Harry Maguire. Potentially even going to West Ham. Another code. Come on, let's get that Haaland 100 club. Is another one? No, it's another black edge. Which black edge is this? I'm going to go actually this way because it's upside down. So what we've got there, the Sporting Portugal badge. And we also get Will Saliba Eliminator. And who is this? It is Black Edge Limited, Black Edge Edition. Thomas Muller. It's one we've already got. Felipe Anderson, signature style as well. It is one we've already got, but still, nonetheless, it is very, very nice. Thomas Muller Black Edge edition there. So we're not doing too bad with them. That's 2 black edges, 200 clubs, 2 shields. That is where we're at. And the 1 energy. Now, fingers crossed we can get another energy. And we're still looking out for that Zen card as well. There's potential we could get that. You never know. Ravanelli, Cult Hero. Wow. Who would have thought Ravanelli would end up in a Match Attax set? We also get the Ozcan Battler Crystal Parallel of the Eintracht Frankfurt Club crest and the Benfica regular crest. So Crystal Parallel crest there. So we're broken on the back of this. We are very much only down to single figure packs, I believe. If you stayed to this point, you're an absolute legend. We've got another Heritage of Kevin Trapp. Again, these are all good because they're not duplicates. Hartmann of Feyenoord Next Gen. And Battler Alcantara and the Eintracht Frankfurt regular club crest. Come on, let's get that Zen. That would be pretty epic to get that. There's a code. Like I said, 1 in 500 packs. What would be? We've got another 100 club. Which one's this? Is it the 101? Is it a swap? What is it? What is it? It's 100 defense, so it's not a swap. It is one of the City ones. It's Rodri. 100 club, 100 defense, 70 attack. Absolutely stunning card. Mohamed Ali Cho, Next Gen. Battler Rice and the FC Salzburg badge. I'm going to have so much fun sorting through all these base cards afterwards. It's going to be unreal. And I am being sarcastic. There's a code. They're all upside down. Gakpo. We've got another Lucas Hardecki for Bayer Leverkusen. Man of the match signature style of Paulo Dybala. Jimenez, and we get the Koke club captain there for Atletico Madrid. So yeah, I think we are down to what, 8 packs, 9 packs Are we going to get an autograph? Are we going to get the Zen? Are we going to get another energy card? Let's hope so. Guys, keep hitting that like button. Give me the good luck to hopefully pull something absolutely... I've pulled fire, to be fair, so far, but anything else is just an absolute bonus. Alvaro Rodriguez, next gen. Oh, I thought that was another energy there. Cabell, Calvin Bassey, and the Lazio badge. Yeah, another energy would, I think, if I don't get the Zen or an autograph, another energy would be very much like we've smashed the odds with the box, if you know what I mean. So yeah, another energy card would be pretty epic. Still another couple of 100 clubs I would like to see though. So we get Pepe Heritage. We get Michael Laudrup, cult hero from Rangers. Sven Botman and the Inter Milan badge. So we're getting a lot of the badges, which is always good. They always seem to be difficult to find, which is always a good thing, because I don't want to be fair, I think a lot of the base will be done after this box, but it'll be all the inserts that we'll need to look for swaps and all that sort of good stuff. So we get next gen of Devine Wrench for Ajax. Joshua Kimmich, Eliminator. Jeremy Frimpong, Crystal Parallel, and Captain Dusan Tadic. Come on. Come on. Let's get that Zen. Let's find that Zen or that energy card in these last few packs. We get Matthias Sewell, next gen, Guardian, Aaron Ramsey, and the Ajax badge. Oh, that was a bit of a rubbish pack, that one. You'd be disappointed if you bought that one for £2.50. Another black edge. Come on, where's the 100 clubs as well? We need a couple more of them in this opening as well. We've got one here. No, we've got legendary Roman Oliver Kahn, finisher of Jared Bowen, and captain Andreas Ulmer. So another, we're definitely due another 200 clubs at least, and another black edge surely. No, not again. Yeah, Torre for City, cult hero, Gabriel Jesus, and the Celtic badge. Right, we are down to I think the last 5 packs. Come on, where are these 100 clubs? This pack feels very big. Did I give that code there? There we go. Do it again. This pack feels very big. Got another Heritage, and it's Marco Reus. We get signature style of Pereira, Guardian Andre ter Stegen, and the RB Leipzig badge. So that was disappointing. There was nothing in it really, was there? I said it felt big. There was nothing exciting in that one at all. So the final few packets. Is there anything good in this? Doesn't look like it. No shields. I think, to be fair, we've done well with the shield, so I can't really... Here we go. We've got another 100 club. Which one's this? It is... Is it a regular? Oh, it's John Stones. Still, it's good. I'm not, don't get me wrong, that is good. That is good. It's one I need. It's another City one. Signature style, Declan Rice. Finisher, Darwin Núñez. And the Leverkusen badge and Thomas Partey. So, what are we? 4 packets left. Here we go. The last 4 packets. The box is empty. And that's it. 4 packets to go. Are we going to get that Zen card in this box or that autograph card? We are still hopeful. Keep hitting that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Give me good luck. So we've got Robin Lenormand, Heritage. I don't think, again, it's not one we've seen. Anthony Cholak, man of the match signature style, playmaker of Griezmann, Marco Reus, captain. 3 packets to go. Come on. What was that at the back? Still only got the 2 black edges. Should be due another one at least. Or is this another energy? I think it is. I think it is. Let's have a look. Wait there. So we've got Quinton Timber, Heritage. Next Gen, Jacob Ramsey. Playmaker, Almiron, and the Juve badge. Is this another energy card? Oh, yes. Goncalo Ramos as well. So we've absolutely smashed it. We have absolutely smashed the pack odds there. 2 energies and the 2 shields. So we've smashed it. We have smashed this box. Topps has definitely blessed us. Whoever picked the box when they sent it, absolute legends. Goncalo Ramos there is his base card. So another 100 club would probably top this off. Kevin De Bruyne, signature style, playmaker, Modric, Marcus Edwards, crystal parallel, and captain Hardecki. So the final pack then, the last chance of the Zen card or an autograph. Are we going to get uber lucky? Final code. Let's fly through this. Are we getting another 100 club or a black edge? It doesn't look like it. Signature style Goncalo Ramos. Guardian Donnarumma. We get Bremer. Crystal Parallel and a Feyenoord badge. So a bit of a damp squib to end on. But overall, 2 energy cards. Goncalo Ramos and Alejandro Garnacho, probably 2 of the best young talents around. So I'm going to take that all day long. And we got 2 shields, both ones that we need as well, of Toni Kroos and Dayot Upamecano. You can't go wrong with that. We got 4 of the 100 clubs, so nearly half. Probably missed out on an extra 1 there, but I'll take that all day long as well. 4 of those, and we got 2 of the black edges. 1 is a swap, Thomas Muller, and Marco Reus is one we need. But overall, what an absolutely fantastic box. As always, big shout out to Topps for sending that across. Absolute legends. Guys, check out links in the description to my Instagram and to my TikTok. We'll see plenty of pictures of these. Also, to Topps website where you can buy all the products from this brand new Match Attax 23-24 collection. Obviously, all the football cards you can think of are on the Topps website. But until the next one, cheers.